Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In this video, we are going to learn how to disable or enable workflow notification. When workflow tasks are assigned to user, they get notification through email. They also get in-app notification in the things to finish section on the home page and the notification list in the global header. From these two places, user can open the notification page to see all their in-app notification. If you have BPM workflow system admin role, which means uh, business process management workflow system admin role, you can disable or enable these email and in-app notification for all user. For example, you can disable notification when you are testing changes to approval rule. That's why you don't send test notification to user. And then when you are ready, so you then enable notification again. You can enable notification again. Now, things which we should know about disabling the workflow notification, like you disable only email notification that are sent as a part of workflow tools, workflow tasks, not all email in general. User can still find their workflow tasks in work list. Now, let's see how we disable or enable workflow notification. Let's move on to the application. Let's click on the notification bell icon. Click on that. Click on show all. Click on work list. Click on the username, which is Casey Brown. Click on that and then click on the administration. Scroll down, come to the notification section. See, which is over here, notification section. In notification mode, we have four options: all, none, email, and in-app. Let's see one by one. When we select all, this is default value. The all is the default value. When we select all, then email notification are enabled and workflow notification are included in the global header, home page, and notification page. When we select none, then email notification are disabled and workflow notification are not included in global header, home page, and notification page. So the difference in all and none, when we select all, then it disable the notification. It enables the notification. When we select none, then it disables the notification. When we click email, then email notifications are enabled. When we select email, then email notification are enabled and new workflow notification was not appear in the global header, home page, and notification page. Now, when we select in-app, then email notification are no longer sent and workflow notification in the global header, home page, and notification page are enabled. So this is the difference between all four options in the notification mode. So I go with the all. So when I select all, then it enable the notification, email notification. It enable the email notification and click on the save button. So this is the process. This is the process in which you can disable or enable the workflow notification in the Oracle Fusion application. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.